So to edit your Happy Thanksgiving, Thankful for You turkey sign, the different types of text and fonts are what are editable. So you can do the thankful for you. You can get rid of all of that if you don't want that. If you want to change the colors of the letters, you can do that. If you want to change the type of fonts, you can do that. If you don't want it to say Happy Thanksgiving on the bottom, you can change that. The only thing that is not editable is the turkey image on the side. So if I was to go and want to change, say, the font, I can go up here and I can change the font to whatever, fonts that I would like. Now you have to remember that the ones with the crowns are the ones that are for Canva Pro users. So if you do not have a Canva Pro account, you will get charged extra for using those fonts. But what you can do is you can go up here and you can pick free and apply that, and all of the free fonts will come up for you, and you can change the font however you'd like in your template. So I would suggest going in, playing around with your template, see if you like the colors of the letters up here and here. If you want to keep those, you can keep them. How to do that one by one, because you can't really change all of them at one time unless you just want one solid color. But what you do is you just highlight one letter at a time. You go over here to where it says text color, and you can pull up colors that you want to use to change your letters if you'd like.